Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect N8N to ClickUp. So ladies and gentlemen, the two things that you're going to do here is open up ClickUp. Of course, you're also going to open up N8N. And what we're going to do over here is create a new workflow, and you're going to create one from scratch. All right. The very first step, you need to just click on this block over here, and you are going to just click on the trigger manually. So this will run the workflow on clicking a button in N8N, and this is great for just getting started really quickly. The next thing that we want to do is add a node over here. So you're going to click on this plus icon, and here we are simply going to look for ClickUp. Now, of course, there will be a huge amount of actions within ClickUp that you can do, and what we actually want to do is just create a task. So here it is, it's under task action. So let's click on create a task. And here we will now have to configure all the parameters and the settings. So the first thing we want to do is the credential to connect with over here. So once you use this drop down menu, you'll have to create a new credential. So let's go ahead and click on this. And from here, you want to go over and we want to use the OAuth 2, which is recommended. So you're going to just make sure that this drop down menu over here says all, and you are going to connect my account. So once you've clicked on this, it'll open up another window, and this window over here will basically want you to connect or give permission to your ClickUp account. Now you can see this is your workspace. You'll have to just click on it to select it and click on connect to workspace. Now, if you have the upgraded version of ClickUp, then you will be able to connect this workspace. So you do need to have a paid version of your ClickUp account, and then you'll be able to connect N8N directly within ClickUp.